It's my body. I want to do what I want to do with it, not you. Nana. I'm bored.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm making a YouTube video right now.
Your dog is sitting here sick and you're bored.
I'm just joking. Gizmo.
Your sister don't care nothing about
Gizmo, are you okay, Baba? Are you okay? If I didn't care about him, then I wouldn't even clean his poop up. His poop.
You don't even clean it up anyway.
Yes, I do.
You haven't cleaned it up in a long time.
Oh, when Dog gave us a choice, we had to clean the poop up.
When?
Last Saturday? I don't remember.
When
Me
I
and
was
Maya
gone?
did.
When I was gone?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
What you doing? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Lollipop, lollipop, lolly, lolly, lollipop. Boom, boom, boom. Hey, Gizmo. Well, that he picks you for his own for yourself. But
I can't believe he's gonna get my foot.
I can't.
Our vet's gonna be so mad at me.
What? Oh yeah,
I say I don't take him walking. I can't take him walking.
I'll take him walking.
But when his foot gets well or whatever's wrong with him.
Yeah, what's wrong with you? Wait, he never knows. Why am I saying that? What you doing? What you doing? You hate being on YouTube? He hates being on videos, Nana. Nana, look. Nana, look. He hates me on these videos. He hates people taping him. But he
You don't know what you're doing.
Okay, I'm not gonna hide that. Look. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come? Lollipop, lollipop, a lolly, lolly, lollipop. Bum, bum, bum. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Lollipop, lollipop, a lolly, lolly, lollipop. A boom, boom, boom. Nana. I'm sorry for you that he picked you for his own. But I can't believe how much he weighed. He's heavy. Oh, Nana. But if he was a human, he wouldn't be heavy. He'll be He won't be heavy. He'll be like, what was it? What's the word I'm looking for?
I'm gonna cut down his food and give him more vegetables.
Oh.
Because he takes big dumps. Have you noticed that?
Yeah. I stepped on one, so yeah, I noticed that. Gizmo, you're crazy.
But see, he's not getting any exercise. That's what hurts him.
Then he should be outside with me.
You need to take him up and down the street on his leash.
Okay. Bad boys, what you